Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Brief facts of the case relevant for the purpose of disposal of these petitions are that the aforementioned complaint has been filed by the complainant Sarvesh Mathur on the allegations that he was appointed as Chief Finance Officer of Messrs. Price Waterhouse Coopers Private Limited India, for short PwC, on 11/3/2008 stop. The persons named as accused numbers 4 to 8 in the complaint and accused Deepak Kumar to be referred as accused were responsible for day-to-day affairs of PwC, which has pan-India operations stop. The complainant alleged that during his service period he started noticing various financial irregularities which were running into crores of rupees and which attracted violation of several enactments including income tax, etc., and also attracted provisions of Indian Penal Code stop. These irregularities were in the nature of falsification of accounts of PwC, willful manipulation of books of accounts, thereby resulting in understatement of profits leading to evasion of tax, adjustment of crores of rupees between separate legal entities without raising of bills, filing of wrong returns of financial assessment years, and wrongful bookkeeping of various expenses stop. Some office bearers of the PwC were also making false misrepresentations to bank and committed violations of RBI Act, FEMA, and other rules, and 3 of 36 neutral. Citation number 2024 PHHC 109285 CRM 2024 regulations pertaining to service tax laws and violation of accounting standard stop stanza. The complainant alleged that he brought the aforementioned irregularities to the notice of the higher authorities of PwC stop. Though during the year 2010 his performance was rated as having exceeded performance standard expectations by the then managing director of PwC, that is the accused Deepak Kapoor, who was subsequently posted as chairman of PwC, but due to his raising voice qua the various irregularities committed in the company by its office bearers, and on being convinced that the complainant would not convene in the various activities of the accused numbers 2 to 8, he was forced to resign after being harassed and humiliated stop. His employment with PwC ended on 31/12/2011 stop. Still fearing exposure, the accused Deepak Kapoor issued a letter dated 27/2012 to him, thereby terminating his services irrespective of the fact that his employment had already ceased with effect from 31/12/2011 stop stanza. The complainant further alleged that subsequently PwC filed a complaint against him with Gurugram Police stop. This complaint was withdrawn on 3/4/2012 only after forcing the complainant to sign some undertakings restraining him from bringing the offences committed by PwC to the notice of the government authorities, and by destroying copies of incriminating documentary evidence against PwC which had been forwarded by the complainant to his personal email account only to defend himself stop. He was also forced to sign an illegal affidavit cum undertaking stop. The complainant filed a complaint against PwC on 19/3/2012 but was made to withdraw the same stop. He did not succumb to 4 of 36 neutral. Citation number 2024 CRM 2024 the pressure of the accused, and filed another complaint on 13/8/2012 stop. by alleging that the persons named as accused numbers 2 to 8 in the complainant as well as PwC had done acts of defamation and criminal intimidation against him apart from committing offences of cheating, falsification and forgery of record and criminal breach of trust. The complainant prayed for summoning the PwC and its office bearers named in the complaint as accused and to issue process against them for commission of various offences. Stop stanza. In preliminary evidence, the complainant examined himself as CW1 besides producing his daughter Yashwini Mathur as CW2. Stop. Certain documents were also produced in evidence. Stop. On considering the evidence so produced on record as well as the contentions raised by the complainant, the learned judicial magistrate first class Gurugram wide his order dated 9/10/2019 dismissed the complaint qua PwC and all the persons named therein who were shot to be summoned as accused except accused Deepak Kapoor, who too was ordered to be summoned only for commission of offence punishable under section 500 of IPC. Stop stanza. Feeling aggrieved from the order dated 9/10/2019, the complainant filed criminal revision petition number 14 of 2020 before the Court of Learned Additional Sessions Judge Gurugram, which was dismissed wide order dated 1/4/2024, and being dissatisfied from the same, the complainant has filed petition bearing number CRM 2024, whereas feeling aggrieved from the order dated 9/10/2019 passed by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Gurugram, the accused Deepak 5 of 36 neutral citation number 2024 CRM 2024 and CRM 2025 Kapoor has filed petition bearing number CRM 2019 before this court. Stop stanza. The respondents in both the petitions have filed their respective replies converting the pleas taken by the opposite parties. Stop stanza. The complainant, while appearing in person through video conferencing facility, vehemently argued that the petition filed by the accused Deepak Kapoor under section 482 of CRPC was not maintainable, as the proper remedy for the accused was to file a revision petition against the impugned order passed by the magistrate. Stop. He argued that the provisions of section 482 of CRPC were misused as misleading averments had been made by the accused. Stop. He did not approach the court with clean hands and suppressed material facts. Stop. He stressed that the impugned order dated 9/10/2019 did not deserve any interference to the extent to which process under section 500 of IPC had been issued against the accused Deepak Kapoor by the magistrate on being prima facie satisfied that there were sufficient grounds for proceeding thereunder as against the accused. Stop. However, the same was perverse and not sustainable in the eyes of law to the extent to which the learned magistrate dismissed the complaint against PwC and accused number 3 to 8 and summoned only accused Deepak Kapoor, that too under section 500 of IPC alone, and further to the extent to which the prayer made by the complainant to summon PwC and accused numbers 3 to 8 for commission of offences punishable under sections 406, 420, 468, 469, 471, 477, 477A, 500, 506 and 120B of IPC was rejected. Stop. He argued that overwhelming evidence had been produced by him to prove that accused number 3 to 8 and accused Deepak Kapoor, who were office bearers of PwC, in conspiracy with 6 of 36 neutral citation number 2024 CRM 2024 each other indulged in falsification of books of account of PwC and cheated the concerned departments of government by showing false transactions which amounted to embezzlement of huge amount of money by use of forged documents, and when he objected to the same, then they defamed him by terminating his services and criminally intimidated him. Stop stanza. It was further argued that the complainant that the magistrate, while issuing the process, was only required to see whether a prima facie case was made out from the allegations levelled in the complaint or not, and he was not to conduct a mini trial, which was so conducted by him. Stop. He argued that the documents relied upon by him had not been examined in entirely. Stop. The fact that there were sufficient grounds for proceeding further and for issuing process against all the persons named as accused, including PwC, had not been properly taken into consideration. Stop. A grave miscarriage of justice was caused to him by dismissal of the complaint filed by him. Stop. Over.